Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights on the products you need to know about. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for digestive health on the market, Renew Life Detox Cleanse More. Are you tired of dealing with bloating, irregularity, or uncomfortable constipation? Let's explore why this product stands out as one of the best options for those seeking relief from digestive issues. First and foremost, Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is all about promoting digestive health and regularity. With a unique blend of herbal ingredients and natural magnesium, these capsules work to eliminate toxins, reduce bloating, and restore your body's natural balance. But what sets Renew Life apart from other options? Well, for starters, these capsules are vegetarian and free from soy, dairy, and gluten. So, if you have dietary restrictions or sensitivities, you can rest assured that this product is safe for you. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of Renew Life Detox Cleanse More. From gentle relief to noticeable improvements in digestion, people across the globe are experiencing the benefits of this powerful formula. Using Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is simple. Just take 2 capsules at night, or start with 1 if you prefer. Then, let the advanced herbal formula and magnesium go to work, supporting your body's natural detoxification process while you sleep. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. At first glance, the price tag might seem a bit steep. But when you consider the benefits, improved digestion, reduced bloating, and enhanced overall well-being, it's clear that Renew Life Detox Cleanse More is worth every penny. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at one of the best solutions for digestive health, Renew Life Detox Cleanse More. If you're ready to say goodbye to bloating and hello to regularity, give this product a try. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, take care.